Hi, I'm Terry. Welcome back to my shop. Today we just got a real short one. We've got a Heli-Coil we're going to stick into a piece of aluminum for a friend here, and I just figured I'd show you the process. So let's get started. Okay, I've already got it lined up on the mill just to drill it. And first thing we're going to do is drill it with a 17/32 drill bit. Because that's what it requires for the Heli-Coil tap. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, once the hole's drilled, we're going to stay where we are lined up and tap it. I'm just going to start it with the mill and then we'll finish it by hand. With the incredibly cheap tap wrench. We'll just go ahead and run the tap in here all the way, or at least until it gets threaded all the way through to the bottom, just because. The Heli-Coil doesn't actually go quite that far, but I'm not going to sit here and measure how far it does go when it's just as easy to go ahead and tap all the way through on this piece. This piece is just over 1 inch thick. Okay. Now we're going to take the Heli-Coil installer and put the actual coil on it with the tang away from the installer. It'll bottom out, and if you look real close you'll see it's got a little groove that lets it grab onto the coil. So let's load it up in the wrench here and start it in. Come on. There we go. Okay, we're going to leave the coil about a half a turn below flush, and that's all there is to it. We can check and make sure the half 13 bolt that goes in it goes back, and we're done. Well, almost missed one detail. To break the tang off, you need a punch, just something fairly close to the size, and a hammer. And the little tang breaks out. Easy as that, and we're done. Thanks for watching.